Good morning, my friends. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick and gentle morning flow. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I've been trying to get off of the coffee. But sometimes it's hard to kickstart my day without it. So I'm curious, what about you? Are you coffee or tea? How do you like to start your morning? Maybe you can start to adopt a new ritual with this morning flow. So go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel. Then roll out your mat and let's get ready to practice. So we'll begin today standing at the top of your mat. Bring your feet parallel to one another. Root down through the soles of your feet and lift up on your legs. Lift up out of your waist and feel energy extending all the way up through the crown of your head. Then on an inhale, circle your arms up towards the sky, reaching all the way through your fingertips, stretching to the top. Then we'll exhale and slowly circle your arms down by your side. And again, inhale, circle your arms up. Think about gathering all of the energy around you. And as you exhale, circle that energy back into your body. Then again, inhale, gathering the energy as you sweep your arms up. Then this time we'll exhale and fold all the way down over your legs. Now bend your knees here as much as you need. Especially first thing in the morning, our body can be really tight from sleeping. So go easy here as we start to move into your body. Then gently begin to press one knee straight and then the other. Taking your time here. Slowly begin pedaling out your knees, just gently stretching into the backs of your legs. So we want to take your time as you're working into your legs here. This can be very tight, can be full of sensation and tension through the backs of the legs and your low back. So it's important that you go slow, breathe steady and deep, and be kind and compassionate to your body. Then we'll gently come back to center. Again, your knees can be bent as much as you need. Then as you inhale your breath, lift your spine halfway up. You may find it helpful to press your hands into your shins. Try not to have a rounded back here, but rather think about extending your heart forward, rolling your shoulders onto your back, and lengthening out your spine. Take one more inhale here. Then we'll exhale and fold all the way down over your legs. And then again, inhale. You can press into your shins as you lift your heart and extend your spine. Then we'll exhale and fold your body down. And then we'll go one more cycle just like this. Inhale and extend. And you may notice that I'm keeping my knees bent here, so don't overwork yourself, especially first thing in the morning. Then we'll exhale and fold it on down, coming all the way forward over your legs. Now from here, we're going to shift your weight into your right foot and step your left foot back to the back edge of your mat. Lower your left knee down, coming into a lunge. Bring your right hand onto your knee, then inhale and stretch your left fingertips to the sky. Melt your hips forward, and I advise keeping your back toes tucked underneath you so the back leg is active and present in the pose. From here, sweep your left elbow across to your right knee. Bring your right palm to touch. Press into your hands to twist your spine around and look all the way over your right shoulder. Then on your next inhale, we'll sweep both arms up to center, coming into a big lunge here. Then exhale and plant your hands down on your mat. Lift your back knee, press into the mat, and we're gonna sweep that right leg up and back behind you for a three-legged down dog. Gently float your right foot down to meet your left, and we'll pause for a cycle of breath here in your downward facing dog. Take a full inhale and a full exhale. If you're not confident or sure of what to do in this downward facing dog, you can check out my pose breakdown video where we talk in detail about exactly what's happening in every stage of this pose. Once you're ready, begin to walk your feet forward one step at a time, coming all the way forward to the top of your mat, folding over your legs, and remember that your knees can be bent as much as you need. Then we'll inhale and rise, coming to stand all the way up. Circle your arms with you. Then we'll exhale and bring your hands down to prayer position at your heart. Then let's move through this cycle again. Inhale, circling your arms up. Then exhale and fold all the way down over your legs, bending your knees as much as you need. Inhale to lift halfway up. You can always press into your shins if it helps. Then we'll exhale and release, folding your body all the way down. This time we'll shift your weight over into your left foot and step the right leg back to the back edge of your mat. Lower your right knee down. Bring your left hand to your left knee. Then we'll inhale and rise, extending the right arm up alongside your ear. Remember, try keeping your back toes tucked to keep engagement and activity in the back leg. Melt your hips forward and lift up out of your waist as you reach your fingertips to the sky. Then we'll sweep the right elbow across to your left knee. Bring your left palm to touch. Press into your hands to twist your heart around and turn your gaze all the way over your left shoulder. Then we'll inhale and sweep both arms back up to center. And exhale to plant your hands back down on your mat. Lift the back knee, press firmly into the mat, and inhale as you sweep your left leg up and back. Then exhale and gently float your left foot down. Coming into your downward facing dog, take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. And gently lower your knees to the floor. Sink your hips back to your heels, and we're gonna sit all the way up into kneeling. Now we'll do a little bit more work to open up and energize your spine. So place your right fingertips to the floor behind you. Then press your hips up towards the sky and sweep your left arm up and back, opening through your front body, taking a little gentle back bend here. Slowly release your hips back down to your heels. We're going to circle your body all the way around to the left, planting your left hand down, lift your hips up, and extend your right arm back behind you. Then again, circle the hips down, sweep your body across to the right. Inhale, lift your hips and open your heart. Exhale, circle your hips down. Sweep your body to the left. Plant the left hand down, then let's inhale, open your heart. One more time on both sides. We'll exhale, circling your body to the right. Inhale, lift your hips high. Exhale, one more time to the left. Inhale and open your heart. Then we'll gently release your hips down to your heels. Fold your body all the way forward, letting your forehead come down onto your mat, and your arms can drape down by your sides, allowing your shoulders to round forward. You feel a gentle stretch across the tops and backs of your shoulders. Then slide your hands flat to the floor underneath your shoulders and press yourself all the way up. We're going to lift your hips this time, coming into a tall kneeling position. Tuck your toes underneath you so your heels are lifted a little bit higher. We're going to move into camel pose to open your heart, open your front body, and this brings a tremendous amount of energy into your body. So bring your hands onto your hips. Glide your thumbs back to the small of your back. Point your elbows back behind you and roll your shoulder blades towards your spine. Lift through the sides of your waist and curl your heart up towards the sky. So you can pause here and practice this as your camel pose. If you have a little more flexibility or you want to take this pose farther, you can lean back even more, and eventually your hands can come down to take a hold of the tops of your heels. Once you make that connection, roll your shoulders back more. Lift your heart up a little higher. Lean your head back and open your throat. Breathing here for camel pose. Then we'll slowly unwind. Take your time. Be gentle with your body as you come out of this pose. Then you can sink your hips back down to your heels and close your eyes here. Take 3 deep, full, conscious breaths. Feel the energy swirling around your body, this energy that you have cultivated within yourself. Bring your hands to prayer position at your heart. Feel the warmth, the energy between your 2 palms, and smile at yourself for setting aside this time to get into your body, to get connected to your breath, to get centered and focused. Then take this moment to set your intention to have the best day ever, to not let anything get you down, to stay centered and focused no matter what comes your way today. Thank you so much for joining me in this morning practice today. Don't forget to visit my website, jenhilman.com. You can always subscribe to the community for even more exclusive access videos at the jenhilmancommunity.vhx.tv. Have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Namaste.